In October 2023, the 78th meeting of the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers, ICANN, is going to take place in Hamburg. Local hosts are going to be the City of Hamburg, DINIC, and the ECO Association. Leading up to ICANN 78, ECO will be conducting a series of workshops and events in order to raise awareness for important topics around DNS and domain names. Today, the Universal Acceptance Training Day is taking place in Cologne, and with me today is Roland Schwärzler of the geoTLD.group. Ronald, what is universal acceptance?
Universal acceptance, once completely installed, is a means that any domain name can be used in any application, email services, whatever you can think of, in an equally manner, despite which language you are using, which script you are using, which font you are using, etc.
And why is this important? Why is it an issue?
It is important because think you are, for example, from the Arabic world, typing from right to left rather than we do. And suppose you want to have a newsletter subscription from a German newsletter producer. And then you could try to input your email address, your Arabic email address, from right to left. I guess this would not work.
Okay. And you are speaking on behalf of the geoTLD group. So maybe you can enlighten us as to what geoTLDs are and why geoTLDs are particularly affected by the UA issue.
geoTLDs are local identifiers on the internet. They deal with Catalonian language and culture, Basque language culture, Paris, French, Cologne, Vienna, Berlin, whatever, with the specials that any of these cultures, of these languages, of these cities have. And the more focused you are on a region doing your business, the more you have to take care of the special things that happen there, meaning special characters like hyphens, like all these kinds of things. And this is why geoTLDs are affected especially by this.
And what needs to happen so that the issue gets fixed? Who needs to take action?
I think the larger companies like Microsoft, like Apple, like the Big Five, or however you want to call it, have at least started to do their job. It's really up to all of us, to the very small website producer company, to also take care of the universal acceptance issue. It's not about waiting, it's about doing for every one of us.
Great, thank you so much, Ronald. And as you can see behind us, it reads Moin, and Moin is used by the folks in the northern part of Germany to say good morning, good afternoon, good evening. And you will see that on all events that are hosted by ECO in the lead up to ICANN 78. So go to eco.de and watch for other events leading to ICANN 78 in Hamburg.